buddy.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm getting mint.
You're going to get some mint? What are you wearing?
The Rappy.
For Halloween? Yeah! Are you so excited? Oh my gosh. How are you going to get your candy? What are you going to do?
I'm going to the Gypsy girl.
That is so funny. Can I see the back of your costume? Oh, that is very nice.
I want to show the mirror.
You want to show the mirror? Show the mirror. Oh, that is nice. What's your favorite kind of sugar?
Mint.
Mint. You want some mint? It's going to be a really fun day, isn't it?
What
kind of costume is that again?
The Rappy.
Giraffe. Can you shake your Tatufskis? Shake it. Oh, yeah. Will you sing me a song? Will you sing a super bass? Because I'm all about that.
But the bass. No, I'm really bad.
You're bringing booty back. Do it again.
I'm giddy.
I love your face.
I love you.
Okay.
I'm going to say, the candy is ink.
What did you say?
The candy is ink.
Trick or treat, Mr. Hinkle. Is that from Caillou?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you are so smart. I love you.
I love you too.
I can't wait to spend Halloween with you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.